Today, I'm going to teach you how to filter your activity feed in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful when you need to quickly find specific notifications like mentions or missed calls without scrolling through everything. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, take a look at the left side navigation panel. Here you'll see several options including Activity, Chat, Teams, and more. Click on Activity. This is your central hub for all notifications and updates happening across your teams and channels. Once you're in the Activity section, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice a few icons aligned horizontally near the Settings icon. Look for the Filter icon, which typically appears as a funnel shape. Click on this filter icon to access your filtering options. Now, you have two ways to narrow down your activity feed. The first method is quick and straightforward. You can simply type a filter directly into the search field that appears. This allows you to search for specific keywords or types of activity you're looking for. However, if you want more structured filtering options, there's a better approach. Look for the More Filters icon, which usually appears as three horizontal lines or a similar symbol next to the search field. Click on it to reveal a comprehensive list of predefined filter categories. These categories are designed to help you segment your notifications based on common needs. You'll see several filter options appear. First, there's Unread, which shows you only the notifications you haven't opened yet. This is perfect for catching up on what you've missed. Next, you have Mentions, which filters to show only instances where someone has specifically tagged you using the @ symbol. This helps you prioritize messages where your direct attention is needed. The Reactions filter displays activities where people have responded to your messages with emoji reactions. This lets you see engagement on your posts without sifting through everything else. There's also a missed call option, which is particularly handy if you step away from your desk and want to quickly identify any calls you need to return. Finally, the Replies filter shows you conversations where people have responded to your messages or threads you're part of. This helps you keep track of ongoing discussions that require your input. You can select any one of these filters or combine multiple filters to create a more specific view of your activity feed. This customization ensures you're only seeing the most relevant notifications for your current task or priority. And that's it. You've now learned how to efficiently filter your Microsoft Teams activity feed to focus on what matters most to you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.